Koala, Excalibur, rock like Metallica, gunnery sergeant. Charging with my beloved core, don't interrupt me, I'll erupt abruptly. Heavy metal makeover, mad job on. Hard again, a 4x4 pickup truck to kick up dust, still astounding. Vanity knows no boundaries, you can't f with this commando. Ramble, grapple in the jungle, kung fu kicks to crack helmets. Love is overrated, freaks for fulfillment. Keep it in the family or my friends gon' film it. Overwhelming, Shane spit flames, not the same, not identical, not cynical. Far from my pinnacle, renegade rap, whitewater rapid, river rapping. Living in the lap of luxury, laughing. Catch a dirt nap when I start reacting. You feeling me? I'm on a killing spree.
Compare us to someone else, you don't wanna go at it. Compare us to someone else, you don't wanna go at it. Compare us to someone else, you don't wanna go at it. Compare us to someone else, but you'll do without
my belief to finalize the movement of the freaks in a fantastic place where you are what you eat.
What's up? What's up?
News of the new rules chump, enforce when I'm sober, force when I'm drunk. Syllablic sorcerer, give them time to jump to the orchestra. Battle axe warriors, we throw you around like raggedy dolls. No one answers when the majesty of tragedy calls. If I'm involved, it's easy to spot. Check the weight of the victim and the type or not. Typo your whole crew with the talent of a hawk. Drink in my hand, probably gin on the rocks. I'm the center of the universe, kill a verse if I'm hot. Yo, to tell you the truth, I'm the Duke of the Dark. Double-sided mirrors and frosty breath. My reputation for rockin' sets is darker than death. Armor on my left arm, armor on my chest. Yo, you feeling me? I'm on a killing spree. Killing spree. Killing spree. Killing spree.